Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Pink Door Travel, and today's episode is about travel and souvenir idea edition. Again, as I'm saying that sometimes we love to buy something, gift or present for ourselves, for our loved ones during our travels, kind of tradition. And for today's episode, I can pull out one of my perfume from my collection, and it's called Lucky by Christian Dior. You can see. Go. Yeah. Now, show you some like this. Cylinder bottle, cylinder packaging, and like that. So cute, so big, and it's coming 200 ml, quite big. This perfume is belong to Dior exclusive perfume, and it's work best on very hot summer weather. And smell nice. Okay, my review and verdict to this perfume: upon initial spray, the perfume opens with a really clean and fresh scents, and you need to like lily of the valley, which is one of the ingredients on this perfume, to enjoy this perfume. After a bit few minutes, a blast of fresh green scents appearing, and in a few hours it dries down into a very ozonic light, citrusy aura vibe, very clean and crisp scent. And this is very good for office or works perfume, because it's not offensive, and it's not really how do you say it, for some people who has delicate smelling too much sweet in the office. This is very good and very energizing, and it is fresh and uplifting. The scent sometimes remind me of Issey Miyake or Issey Miyake. The only difference between the two is this lasts longer than Issey Miyake. This lasts about 5 hours, and after that it lasts it settled into a skin sense. And this one I usually not carrying in my bag because it's quite big, so I just spray it, and sometimes 5 hours is last for me. So when I come back to the house, then I can spray it again. I both use this perfume when working in the office or running errand, or sometimes just walking the park or walking the dog. This is a very good scent, and it's really good scent if you want to be lucky, as the name implies. Well, watch out for my other details about this perfume. Why is it called Lucky? And that's all, folks, and thank you for watching. Until next time, hope you smell nice and energized every day. Bye.